Little pig, let me come in.
That's a Kimmy Have what other with the skin?
Then I'll huff. And I'll puff. And I'll blow your house in. Oh, your house is too strong.
You have to hide on the corner of there.
Oh. Okay.
Of the field.
Right.
You have to go there outside.
I am outside.
Would I to go outside into rest of the corner?
She's too smart for me. I'm going home.
No, don't go home. She's calm. She's calm. He's afraid to be careful. Be careful. Be careful. He's afraid to be careful. La 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 la.
Come back, Wolf.
He's here.
I'm a little lost sheep with no place to sleep. Please open the door and let me in.
You cannot put that in the seat again.
Oh! Then I'll huff. And I'll puff. And I'll blow your house in. You look especially scared.
Are you scared, little pig?
This brick house is too strong.
I will take a pencil for you.